Hello YouTube, here is an unboxing of the Nest Hello video doorbell. Here you can see the packaging. I already opened it, but it says Pro Installation Recommended. Trying to do this one-handed, it's hard. Alright, inside you see the Nest. That's what the back looks like. And then inside, there's more stuff. Got a paper here, bunch of papers. Don't need those. You get this thing. I don't know what it is yet. But read the directions, you'll find out. And then here you get a box. Let's see. This looks like a angle mounting plate. Here is a wall mounting plate, which I guess it sits into it like that. And you just clip it in. And there's an accessory box here. Let's see what we got. You get a masonry drill bit. And you can see that it is actually Nest branded drill bit. Neat. And then you get some very nicely packaged screws. You get some masonry anchors and some more of these pigtail things that look a lot like the ones here. They probably talk to each other wirelessly or something. I'm not sure. Anyways, that's what you get inside the box.